world and welcome back to Little Miss Drop Stitch, and today's video is small but mighty. I'm going to be showing you the waist knot method, okay, and this is used for starting off your tapestry or cross stitches even, and it really secures it and there's no tails flapping about or that you need to hold behind your work and go over. I hope you enjoy. Your first step is to make a knot in the end of your wool. Okay, so there's my knot. Doesn't have to be anything big, doesn't have to be anything fancy. And then we're going to sew through the front of our canvas. Okay, so this might seem a bit weird because it's on the correct side, but if you go through the front of your canvas, and you also kind of want to plan out, so let's pretend I'm going to start my stitching here. You'd want to put your knot in here, so because we'll be sewing over it in a moment, okay, and make it about 4 or 5 holes away from where you intend to start. Okay, apologies, it went a bit focused then. So there we go, we've gone through the front of our work. Then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go into my first stitch via the back of our work, okay. We're going to work across here, trapping that line of thread over the back. That was our last stitch, and this is why I kind of like to leave 5 holes rather than 4, because I'm not in danger, if I got too close, I'm not in danger of cutting any of my stitches. So if you can see a bit clearer there now we've zoomed in, and all I'm going to do is give that knot a little pull so I can expose kind of the neck of it, and then cut. There we go, and then if there is a tiny tail poking through or anything like that, we'll be going over that in our next stitches. So that's the waist knot method, and it really does secure your tapestry when you're starting off. If you were going, for example, on these bits where I've done vertical stitches, then you'd, for example, go in here with your knot, up there with your stitches, and then you'd catch it vertically rather than horizontally. If you like this video, please do consider giving us a like, thumbs up, all that good stuff. It really does help us, and it's free, even better. Thank you and take care.